guys. Welcome back to another week of Mortgage Management Minutes. I'm Brent Rasmussen, owner of Mortgage Specialist. So today we're going to talk about our mortgage experience being insane. And usually when we use the word insane, it means in a negative way. And I feel that our insane or insanity is in a great way. But the mortgage process for some can be insanity for what people feel the process should actually be like. Here at Mortgage Specialists, we've done this thousands and thousands and thousands of times. Not everyone is exactly the same, but every loan, generally, the process is exactly the same. So we are here to help handhold, guide you, and make the process as seamless and stress free as possible. So, what we can share here today is that many of our clients assume what they know about the process. They assume that they know what paperwork is needed, or maybe they don't know what's needed. But having some of those assumptions may make you a little crazy thinking that you have the process understood when we, as the specialists, come back and explain to you here's more items that we need. So, our goal in every single process for someone to obtain a mortgage obviously is to have the best process possible because then if you're happy, we're happy, but also you can refer additional clients to us. And that's what continues to make our business better, grow, and assist other people to make the process easier. You know, the mortgage industry can have its highs and its lows. And when you're out looking for a house and you are excited to find that house, and it might take you a day, it might take you 6 months. Generally, the most exciting time is after you've been told you have that offer accepted. You're now going into your mindset of what can we do to the property, and now I'm going to be living somewhere different. What's my transportation look like and work, and how can I make this mine, and what can I enjoy the most about the property? But after getting your offer accepted, generally that sometimes is just halfway through the mortgage process to finish up the rest of the legal items that are needed. As mortgage companies, believe me, we don't want to require anything extra of you. We don't want to ask for thousands of pieces of paper, your DNA, your children. I'm joking about that, but people will make it seem like there's so much asked of them that that could possibly be next. And while I understand the joke, it can sometimes feel that way. But here we want you throughout this video to understand and be realistic about what the paperwork is that's required. And we've done videos about what paperwork is required. But generally speaking, if you have a lot of things going on in your life with self employment, with businesses, with second jobs, with many different jobs, you're moving around money, reimbursing people, taking out new debts, opening up new bank accounts, moving around investment money, selling your current home, any of those things that involve income, credit, or assets, underwriting has to verify every single detail. And it's not because we want to, it's not because underwriting wants to, it's because the government has set federal laws for us to require that. And they're no longer going to allow what is called stated income or no documentation loans to come back into the real estate environment. So, because of that situation, they've created extensive laws that make it sometimes very insane for people to provide paperwork. And many times clients will give us forms, which once we receive a document, then it requires another document. And that's where obviously clients want to know, hey, give us a list exactly what you need. And we would always love to do that. But sometimes people's situations are much more complicated and we don't have all the answers until information is brought into us. So, as a professional and as a specialist and as an expert in this mortgage industry, of doing this over 25 years, helping thousands of clients, instructing hundreds and thousands of hours of mortgage coursework, I can share with you that no matter how proactive and how much we have a process put in place, having a little understanding and forgiveness moving into the process is the best thing that I can advise for you. Because if you're a very simple borrower that doesn't move around money, has thousands of dollars sitting in a savings account, has a W 2 job for 20 years, doesn't have a lot of change in their life, it's very simple, very straightforward, very easy. But nowadays, people have many more things going on. And sometimes we're going to hit a crossroads that is going to feel very intrusive, very encumbersome. But we can definitely answer any of those questions for you and explain to you why a specific rule is being asked for. And it's always because there's a law that exists. It's not because the underwriters just make up a rule just for the fun of it. But it is and it can be a very insane, stressful process. But we would love for you to experience the process at Mortgage Specialists and have an insanity amount of less stress than other companies going through the process. One of our key elements at Mortgage Specialists is to be proactive, to be on top of and try to predict what's going to happen before it happens. Can we always do that? No. Without data and information, we can't always predict what's going to happen. But we've been through this process so many times with so many clients. We generally know where the speed bumps are going to be at. We know where to protect you and where to cover bases is at to definitely make this as stress free and simple as possible. I know this is the week of 4th of July, and we want to, obviously say happy birthday to America, but also celebrate each other and celebrate this great country that we live in. And hope you can do that with home ownership. That is one of the best ways people feel attached to America, is being grounded and owning something, some sort of land in this place that we call America. And we can help assist you with that at any point in time. So you can call us at 402-991-5153, or reach us out to us on our website at mtg-specialist.com. And we're here each and every week for your Mortgage Matters in Minutes. I'm Brent Rasmussen, owner of Mortgage Specialist. We will talk to you next time. Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.